Is body odor affecting your self-confidence? So body odor is a very common issue which is faced by many people. Now it has the potential to affect you socially. There is a social discomfort and it also affects your self-confidence. But here are some practical tips which are very effective in treating your body odor and keeping it under control. Hi, I'm Dr. Rashmi Agrawal. I'm the founder and medical director of Skin International Clinic in Greater Noida West. So we are talking about bad body odor. Now the most effective and I think the most practical thing one can do is to maintain good body hygiene. And how can you do that? That is by bathing twice a day. Bacteria is always present on the skin, and when this combines with sweat, it gives out that bad body odor. And this happens in areas such as your groin, your legs, your feet, and also your armpits. So when you bathe twice a day, now you are reducing all these areas. You're reducing the bacteria on your skin, you're reducing the sweat content on your skin. Use good antibacterial soap if you can, or even a gentle body wash is more than enough. Just remember to focus a little more on the sweat prone area. The second point is that you can start using deodorants and antiperspirants. Deodorants will make your body smell a little better, whereas antiperspirants, they temporarily block your sweat glands, and as a result, less sweat production is there, less interaction with bacteria, and less body odor. Next, what you can do is wear breathable clothing. Now, when you are in a country like India, you know there is pollution, you know it's a warm country, and you know you're going to be sweating. So ideal clothing, especially in summer, is cotton, is linen, is more breathable wear. Just remember to do that regularly. So what sweat and heat does is, it creates a better environment for your bacteria to grow. And that is why it is absolutely essential to wear breathable clothing. When you wear breathable clothing, less bacteria causing sweat is there and you smell better. Now there are certain foods that can affect your body odor, so you need to watch your diet. Now some of the things which do cause bad body odor is onion, garlic, red meat, alcohol and spicy food. So keep a watch on your diet. Now, did you know that stress makes your sweat smell worse? What stress does it, or what emotional stress does is, it activates your apocrine glands. Now that makes your sweat a little more thicker, which mixes better with bacteria. Another practical tip is to trim your underarm hair. Now you can also go in for laser hair reduction. What this hair does, it causes more sweat and it causes a buildup of bacteria. So that is what you will be preventing. We can use antibacterial wipes on your skin, especially if you are unable to take a shower. Now, if you are following all the steps and your body odor still is persisting, it is the right time to consult a dermatologist. There are some clinic options that we do recommend is the use of an antibacterial powder. You may use an antibacterial body wash, or there is something known as Botox for hyperhidrosis or excessive sweating. If you found this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.